So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to teach you the first principle formula with fraction. First, we're to determine the derivative, and so what we can say is the f of x with a little apostrophe, this one, over there or whatever it's called, and that's going to be equal to the lim as h goes to 0, and then you would have to write out the formula all right now on this one. The side I'm just going to do f of x plus h first, as I have noticed a lot of students like to do. So f of x plus h means that you take the equation and wherever you see x, you replace it with x plus h. So there it is. Then I am going to put this back on this one. This back in the place of f of x plus h, and so now from the, that's very important. So in the place of f of x plus h, we're going to have 2 over x plus h minus f of x. Well, that's just the original equation, so that's just 2 over x, and then all of that is over h. So now I want you to ignore the bottom, so ignore this part. Just let's zoom into this part over here. Well, there we have two fractions, and then you are minusing or adding two fractions, this one. And when you are minusing or adding fractions, you need a common denominator or a lowest common denominator. So your lowest common denominator is just to be x and then x plus h. So this 2 will be multiplied with x, and this 2 will be multiplied with x plus h, and then you can write of them over the common denominator, which is x plus h. If that's a little confusing, then that's simply because this is more of a great kind of topic, and I know some of you in college struggle with those topics. Then what we can do is neaten up the top of a little bit, so we can multiply the negative into bracket. This one. Just multiply the bracket. And so the 2x's cancel, and so what we end up with is negative 2h over x plus h. So now I'm going to take this expression and put it back into the equation, this one. So lem h goes to 0, so negative 2h over x times x plus h over 1. So we have a fraction on top of another fraction. H can just be written as h over 1. So see the solving 1, and this is the final answer. Thank you.